Okay, the first thing we are going to do is submitting an assignment. So I'm going to go to Modules, and if you hear noise in the background, I apologize. There's construction going on in this building and I can't change it. So anyway, back on point. So I want to submit an assignment to Lesson 1 plan. So I'm going to click on the lesson, and I'm in this module on the module page. And just to show you how to submit, I'm going to go ahead, click on the Submit Assignment button. There's the rubric, and there's the template you would use. Click Submit. When you're ready, you've filled out your lesson plan, and you're ready to submit. You'll choose File. And I'm just going to choose a random Word document. Let's see, here we go, Canva, there we go. So let's submit that one and submit assignment. Okay, as you can see, I've submitted the assignment. Once you submit it, you will see a button that says Resubmit Assignment. That will let you know. And also there's a check mark that says Submitted, and it will timestamp the submission. And there's the document that I submitted. Once you submit the document, keep in mind that you should not even begin to think about submitting again until your instructor looks at your submission and provides feedback. And I'm going to pause the video now, and I'll come back and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about when I say that you should. And we're back. So to recap what we just did, I submitted a document to the Lesson 1 plan assignment submission as a student. And while I was gone, I went in as the instructor and provided some comments on the document. So, how do you access the comments that your instructor makes on the document? You'll go to your grades and navigate to your assignment. Here's the assignment that I just submitted. Here's the comment, the rubric. If there are any submission comments here, they'll be here. But what you'll want to do is look at the comments that your instructor placed inside the submission. To do that, you click on the assignment link and click on View Feedback. And there you will see comments that your instructor has placed inside the document here. And you can even reply. Okay? Now, this has to do with the first submission. And you're seeing your comments here now. But what happens if I decide to go to the assignment again? Let's say I want to resubmit. So I'm resubmitting the assignment again. There's the submission. Okay. Now I'm going to go to my grades again. Here's the lesson plan. You'll notice I only see, as a student, I only see the most recent submission. I only see this document that I just submitted as a student. There are no comments. It's gone. I no longer have access to it. So that's why I say be careful. Once you submit an assignment, allow your instructor to go in, assess your work, and provide comments on the document. You'll then go into the assignment, click on your view feedback, look at the comments inside the document. Then you can make your changes and resubmit the assignment. Otherwise, you'll lose the comments that the instructor makes.